Yeah. You can see the snow coming in, baby. That ain't no fog. You know what I mean? What would you do? What would you do if this was your last damn pork chop? It's the only thing you got to eat to keep you warm. Hot water bottle, so don't freeze. Ow, you fucking piece of shit! Hopefully we don't get too cold in the night and get hypothermia and die. Otherwise this video will not be online. 24 hours earlier. We've arrived. Right, we're back for round 2 because last time we didn't manage to finish it. So we've got to take a bag of logs up each just to get the fire started. Got that bag, my bag of food, Maxie's bag of food, and we got to go all the way up the hill into the mountains, and we're running out of daylight. Maxie sat here having fun making origami
knots. Why have you knotted
knots.
this all up? What is going on?
I used it for a dog lead. Quick little rendezvous, because this is tiring. On the video it doesn't really show you how uphill it is, but I'd say we've walked at least 100 meters uphill, so about a kilometer long but 100 meters high. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful night. Little moon up, hardly any clouds in sight, but it is -3 at the moment. We're trying to find a fucking spot to go to because I need 2 trees for my hammock. And yeah, at the moment we're in a bull field and we don't want to get trampled by the bull, and I can't find 2 trees that are suitable. Alright, there's wool and there's animal bones apparently. Oh, there you go. Someone got what do you reckon? Wolf on a sheep? Yeah. Fox on a sheep? Or did the bull impale a man and finish him off? This is where we got to be careful. I don't know if you can see that on the video. That's a fucking, what'd you say, 6 foot drop to the middle? About the 6 foot in it. 6 foot drop there. 6 foot drop over here and there. We're about an hour and a half into the trek.
We're loving life.
Loving life, yeah. We found a spot where we could camp, but we can't find the spot where we were before. So trying to find our old campsite, we just found the fallen tree which I took a picture of last time. So we must be very close to it. After, how long's that been, Maxie?
2 hours?
2 hours. After 2 hours, we finally found the spot. That's where we had our campfire last time. Here it is, we've got the campfire built up with stones. And then we've also got a seat, about 2 foot high. We just need to build one more seat because Maxie hasn't got his toilet this time. And we found the bottle of beer my brother left there last time. We weren't littering, it's just we kind of forgot it. He kept it out to go cold, so we can drink that tonight.
Yeah, look down here. That's not water, that's been built.
Do you reckon?
100%.
I mean, it actually does look like a fucking perfect straight wall, doesn't it?
Yeah, both sides.
I wonder how deep it goes. Maxie built himself a seat. Got my seat. Time to get the fire going, boys. Alright, got our fire base. We built the fire pit up a bit higher with a little wind guard. Put dry rocks down at the bottom, then lined some dry wood on top. We've got the fire set up, ready to go. Got a load of logs ready to go as well. So now I'm just putting on all my layers. Because at the moment I've still only got a few layers. So I've got my Christmas jumper, another pair of joggers, I should have a fleece, yeah, fleece. Made out of wool skin, so if it gets wet I'll be right. And another hoodie. And then I got a balaclava. Maxie's got his balaclava on. Oh, sorry, that was like right in your face. One minute, here goes, is that better?
The sky's cleared up. 100% the stars.
Oh yeah, you can actually see the stars now. Why does the camera never pick it up? That's actually AIDS.
The aliens don't want us to see what's happening.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright.
Oh.
Whoa. We got flames. If this goes out, we're fucked. But I mean, I mean we're alright. We'll start putting the bigger stuff on. Hopefully it roars. We cooking some fish tonight. Talking of fish, inside my bag of food, I have whole kippers. And I got bird's eye chilies, which are 4 out of 5. 250,000 Schofield, bro. And you got the ordinary chilies here, which are only 10,000 Schofield. So that tells you how fucking hot these other ones are going to be. And me and Maxie's offered as well. We're going to eat one raw just to see how hot they are. Isn't that right, Max?
First time heard of it, mate.
Yeah. You're walking, you sweat. I seen a video yesterday, right? And you sweat mostly on your feet. So if I just hold my feet against the fire. Alright, and now you can see steam coming off my foot. I don't know if you've had to see it on the camera, but yeah, there's steam coming off my foot, where my feet are actually wet. Put all these rocks in the way. We got the steaks on the fire. Maxie's pulled out a load of embers underneath the steak, and yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna stuff my kippers. Maxie reckons he's not trying one, but there's 4, so I don't know why he's being like this.
They look vile.
They look vile. They just look like fish, man.
They like fish.
Yeah, but it's kippers. Everyone
kippers.
likes kippers. The only reason I got these is no, look at that one. He's seen better days, isn't he? The only reason I got these is because it's the last
bit of fish they had.
Yeah, last full fish they had. Everything else was completely gone. A few chilies. The fucking kipper's been cut in half, so a few chilies, jalapeno, a bit of salt. Yeah, man's even got salt. But I'm only putting the little chilies in, not the big boys, because I'm not big enough of a boy. Alright, the grand opening of the kipper. Has the kipper been kippered? Oh mate, look at that.
That smells disgusting.
It smells disgusting?
Yep.
Nah mate, it smells like fish.
Exactly.
The jalapenos, mate. We're happy, we're out here. We're really out here. I got fish all over me. Probably gonna stink, but I mean we probably stink anyway. So.
I'm alright. It's the moon.
Fucking super noodles, babe. Let's fucking go. So we're just setting up our bed about 1 o'clock in the morning. And a few bevies. So I'm going from that tree to that tree. Maxie's over there setting up his tent. I'll show you the end result in a minute. Hammock with an underquilt. Keep me warm. And a nice little roof to keep the snow off me. Gonna have my bag under me. And probably put my boots in my bag so they don't freeze. That took me about half an hour. Maxie's there showing off of his tent. Took him about 2 minutes 30 seconds. Time to go to bed. Time to get up. It's like 9 o'clock. It started snowing at 10. We were supposed to get up at like we're supposed to get up at like 6, 7 to get the fucking.
I was just going back to sleep to get more body heat.
Go back to sleep to get body heat.
Well, not sleep. I was gonna lie down until 9:30. I was trying to be quiet so you wouldn't wake up. I wanted more body heat. It's cold, mate.
I'll be honest, I've been awake for a while. I just been.
So you were just watching me while I did a deal.
No, I'm not watching. I'm in my cocoon, mate. I can't say anything. But
Cold, Josh, it's cold,
basically,
mate.
we got to get up because it's gonna start snowing,
We can just
and we need to
stay
get
all night.
the wood getting ready for the fire.
I'm gonna get drunk tonight, boy.
Got a big ass fallen tree not far from the campsite. Collecting firewood. Brought us all from work.
Hey!
How you doing? This is out in the middle of nowhere we are. Should have brought a damn reciprocator saw up. Are the best because we build roofs in the houses, not tarpaulins in fields. But I mean, it's covering the fire. Maxie's ingenious way of tying the string with a slip knot to the rocks. Boom, boom. 2 there, 1 on the tree. Got a stick which we cut down from the forest, and the other side is just tied to that tree with the bottom bits tied to the bottom, so it's like a wind barrier. Ready for the snow, baby. Got the fire going for the second day. Logs ready to go. Yeah. Now we just got the soups going on. I'm a bit jelly of Maxie's mess tin. I've had to bring my mum's old pan, but that thing there is the bee's knees. It's nice and light. You can eat out of it. Yeah, man. Just peeking out of our little den. We can see the snow coming in, baby. That ain't no fog. That hill there was visible. The ones behind the trees. Now we can't see it. Just putting out some coals. Make our little makeshift barbecue. Out, you fucker, mate. Why you burn me like that, buddy? The flame. So we've got a massive log on the top there. And the flame from that massive log on the top pumping out underneath is like char grill and the chicken on top. Coals underneath, mate. It's like Nando's up in this motherfucker. We almost lost Maxie, didn't we, Maxie?
I almost went down.
He almost went down to the mountains, which is ironic because we're at the mountains. But no, I got some Uncle Ben's original rice, and I stuffed it in a foil circle thing. I just shoved it on the fire. We'll see how it goes. We got our chicken breast sizzlers going. Oh, I love a bit of food. So damn tasty, man. The pork fell off into the coals, and Maxie reckons I should leave it there. We're down to 2 pork chops. So man's out here eating pork chop. Do you know what I mean? What would you do? What would you do if this was your last damn pork chop? It's the only thing you got to eat to keep you warm. I'm gonna brush it off, mate. Give it a little brush off. I'm gonna eat it. There we go. Got all my layers on. I am cold, but it's been cold all day. But it's like manageable. But yes, it's fucking cold. Our speakers died. Our phones are dying. it's melted around the fire, but I mean, the fucking snow is setting, man. I think it's like 2 centimeters deep at the moment. If I stand on it, yeah, about 2 centimeters deep. Oh, it's gonna be a cold one. Fucking snowstorm out of this bit. Right, I'm really out here trying to keep warm. Fuck have we done, Maxie? Fuck have we done? SOS! Fucking SOS, man! Fucking. The good thing about the wind is it's keeping the fire going. It's like oxygenating it. Bad thing about the wind.
Can't roll cigarettes.
Yeah.
No, I can.
Can't roll cigarettes, and the other bad thing about the wind, don't know if you can see, but the fucking out, the tarp's on my fucking head, man. It's pissing me over, man. Oh, fucking going down to the mountains. Fucking save us. Oh, I think the fucking tarp's coming down. Oh.
Don't drink pop.
Oh, fucking.
Oh shit, this is it.
This is it?
This is how we die.
Yeah, this is how we die. Fuck it. We lived a good life. Maxie's fixing it for us. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Alright. Fucking. The guy broke the snap. So. We got a Maxie fix it. Maxie bodge.
Nope.
Oh, no. It's not gonna last long.
We might actually fucking make a plan here.
Alright, yeah, we need to plan it. We got a bit of a bodge job going on. Maxie managed to retie that one because that snapped. And I've taped that. Hopefully this last bit doesn't snap, because if so we are fucked. I'm holding this up with my hand. If I let go, the walls are coming down, and you don't understand how much warmer it is inside this tarp than it is outside there. Like, we're talking, being outside there, my hands get numb in seconds. Being in here, I'm actually relatively warm. So if this comes down, we are done for, buddy. Little update of the trenchness. Well, oh fuck me, mate. What's going on? Fucking want smoke here, mate. Right, we're doing a little test here. So, alright, got my stick. Boom. Right, pull it out. It's that deep. We got 6 inches of snow, baby. Yeah. Everywhere you can see. The wind is like, it's still hammering us a bit, but it's not too bad. We've still got our fire going on. I'm gonna have to dry my feet. Maxie's drying his feet. Quickly go for a piss. Back at it. We've had mischief. We got another bit of beef. Whoa! Time to fix it. Time fucking. It's burning. Shit! Go down to the mountain. Update, the guy broke snapped. So Maxie's holding up one more time, holding it and get pelted in the face. It's not even snow at this point, it's like fucking ice just smashing you in the face. Very powerful. But we're huddled by the fire, trying to keep our hands warm. The tarp's right next to us. We ain't got much space left. But the good news is, I got a fish cooking. Oh, I'm just gonna go check on our tent. See if it hasn't fucking blown away. Well, Maxie's tent in my hammock. Alright, his tent stood up. Mine stood up. Right, good. I think you like the tent. This snowstorm can do one. I got my fish and my jalapenos, baby, and chili. Yeah, buddy. Alright, it's the end of the night. It's almost time to go hunker down. The fire has survived. We have survived. We met lots of food. Hopefully we survive the night. And if so, well, I guess if I don't fucking survive, this video won't be on YouTube, so you already know the answer to that question. But when I survive, I'll put out the morning, ow, that's my head. I'll put out the morning video to show us like where the snow is and shit, which is pretty much everywhere. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, hopefully we don't get too cold in the night and get hypothermia and die. Otherwise this video will not be online. So yeah, peace out, homies. I'm so cold I can barely feel my fucking fingers. I'm trying to get in my hammock and in my sleeping bag. Wish me luck. Oh my days, this hurts. Woo. At 3 in the morning, there's ice all over the bag. I'm just trying to find my gloves. Swap over my gloves because they're soaking wet because I fell over. See. I survived. I only fell over twice. 2 hours until weather warning hits us. It's a really bad storm, so we were gonna go back today anyway, but we need to try and beat the storm. A lot to learn about hammock camping. Yeah, it was pretty hard, mate, and at least my main rope at the top survived, but the ones on the side died.
Yeah.
So I had a flappy tarp thing over me all night, which is alright, it's not too bad, but it's the water was getting in.
Yeah.
So luckily my sleeping bag's a bit waterproof. I cannot believe we've come here after the snowstorm and the damn thing has survived. It's looking a bit worse for wear, but this is what kept us going last night during the snowstorm. Visibility is low. It's time to walk back in that direction over the mountain, I think. Max is just mapping for us to make sure we're going the right way. We both think it's over there, but if we're wrong, then we just walked an extra, what was that, 30 minutes for absolutely nothing. So, I mean, we got a lot of weight on us. Yeah, got a lot of weight, so we didn't want to make a mistake. Now, I mean, fucking made it. We got another kilometre to go downhill.
Whoa! Almost went then. Here he comes. He's fucking hating it. How are we feeling, Josh? You glad the car's still here?
Dehydrated, headache. We still got to check that the car starts. We'll be having problems with it.